Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super cute and fun. Let's learn how to draw a school backpack together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a half circle at the top. This will be the top part of our backpack. Now draw a rectangle under the half circle. This is the bottom part of the backpack. Let's draw an outline all around the shape. This makes the sides of the backpack. Looking great. Now draw a pocket on the bottom part of the backpack. Nice and neat. Draw a handle on the top of the backpack so we can hold it easily. Now draw the belts on both sides to hang the backpack on our shoulders. Very good. Let's draw another pocket on the top part of the backpack. So cute already. Now draw a ribbon on the bottom pocket. It looks lovely. Draw some heart shapes, because we love drawing. Finally, draw a cute teddy head on one side of the top part of the backpack. Aw, so adorable! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cream color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome coloring! Great job, little artists! You did an amazing drawing today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing.
Yay!
Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.